In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create and reconcile transactions in Xero 5 minutes. Let's start by signing into Xero and heading to your dashboard. From here, choose the bank account you're working with and click the Reconcile Items button. This takes you to the bank reconciliation screen, where Xero shows your imported bank statement lines on the left and the Xero side on the right. Think of the left side as what actually happened at the bank and the right side as what you tell your accounts to record. Find the statement line you want to work with on the left. If Xero hasn't suggested a match, you can create the transaction yourself. On the right, click Create or Create New, then choose Spend Money if the bank line is a payment going out, or Receive Money if it's income coming in. Choosing the correct type is important because it affects how the transaction posts to your accounts. Now complete the details. Select the contact to keep your reporting clean and searchable. Pick the account or nominal code that best describes the expense or income category. Add a clear description so anyone reviewing later understands what this was for. Enter the amount, making sure it matches the bank line exactly. When everything looks good, click OK or Save. This creates the accounting transaction Xero will use to reconcile against the bank statement line. You can also work from the Account Transactions area if that suits your workflow. Go to Accounting, then Bank Accounts. Select the bank account and open the Account Transactions tab. This is where you can add new entries to mirror what's on your bank statement or review existing ones you've created. When you're ready to mark something as reconciled, locate the specific transaction you want to reconcile. Click the More button, then select Mark as Reconciled. Xero will ask you to confirm, which helps prevent accidental reconciliations. Confirm to proceed. After that, head to the Bank Statements tab to verify your work. You should see a green reconciled status next to the item, and the source will show as user, indicating it was reconciled manually by you. That visual confirmation is your cue that the bank statement and the Xero transaction are now aligned. A couple of quick tips as you work: always double check that you're in the correct bank account, keep descriptions consistent for easier reporting, and use the right nominal codes to ensure accurate financial statements. With these steps, you'll confidently create and reconcile transactions in Xero.